All participants, please open Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. Okay. In our previous class, we have done work on descriptive statistics. Today we are going to work on t-test. So give heading t-test. T-test in Python. So when you want to perform any statistical analysis in Python or R with the help of AI, you need three questions. Question number one, what is t-test? Why do we perform t-test? Why do we perform t-test? Types of t-test. Okay, now copy this question. All participants please follow and perform same to same work on your screen. Please open AI or ChatGPT, paste here and send message to ChatGPT. Please write a message I need in English. Okay. So first question is what is a t-test, and its answer is t-test is a statistical method used to determine whether there is a significant difference between the mean of one or two groups. So you can check the difference between one group or between two groups. If you have more than two groups, for example, you have group A, group B, and you want to compare, you want to check the difference between A and B, you need to apply t-test. But if you have another group C or D, no, you have more than two group, then t-test will not work. It will give you false results. So if you have more than two group and you want to compare, you want to check difference, you need to perform ANOVA. So t-test is not suitable for data having more than two group. So we need only two group for t-test. It is especially useful when the sample size is small and the population standard deviation is unknown. It is based on t-distribution, which is similar to the normal distribution but has heavier tails, accounts for more uncertainty in small sample. So small sample required for you for this test. Why do we perform t-test? Number one, check if the difference between the mean is real or just due to random chance. It will show us the difference is significant or not significant. Test hypothesis. Treatment was control. Analyze experimental and observational data. Support decision making in a research. So you can make decision based on this t-test. For descriptive statistics, we descriptive statistics just only give us results or just give us summary of our data set, which is not useful for decision making, but t-test will help us for decision making. So important point is we can use t-test for to check the difference between two group, and we can also check or verify our hypothesis. Okay, now please scroll down. Third step is type of t-test. So there are three main type of t-test. One is one sample t-test, two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. Two sample t-test also known as independent uh, sample t-test. In one sample t-test, you only have one group and you want to compare it with already published value. For example, you are working on human age of China. So China is a group and you want to compare this age with average value. Average value is 60 year or already published value. It is known as one sample t-test. If you have more than two groups, you want to compare the age of Pakistan and China people. No, you have two groups, Pakistan and China. Here you need to apply two sample t-test. If you have data in the form of paired pairs like yes or no, present or absent, before and after. So if you have such type of data set, you need to perform paired t-test. Okay, now next question is, say thanks to ChatGPT. Sorry, please first copy this information and share within group so that other can also read this information in detail. Please copy and share in Zoom chat or WhatsApp group. Please copy this information. At the end, there, please scroll down and come to end. There is a copy button. Copy this all information and share within group. Okay. Now after sharing, uh, write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. I need sample data table. Please all participant write same to same line. Thanks. I need sample data table for each type of t-test. Please again edit this line. Thanks, I need sample data table for each type of t-test. For sorry, related to type here your field of study name. Now it will show you sample data table related to your field of study. Okay, now you can check for one sample. Please come on one sample. Check whether the average radiation dose exceed regulatory limit. So here is the average limit, and you want to compare it with measured dose. Next is independent or two sample t-test. Here you can check two groups, shielded and unshielded. You want to compare these two groups. If you have this type of data set, you need to apply independent two sample uh, two sample t-test. Now scroll down. Come to third type, paired sample. Here you can check data is in the form of pair before and after. So if you have this type of data set, which is in the form of before and after, you need to apply paired sample t-test. Now write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. Now I need this data in Excel sheet. Okay, now send this message. Okay, now please download this file and save in your working directory folder. Okay, please also share this data with other participant, and other participant please also save and sorry, download sample data related to your field of study. Okay, now next step is please first open your Excel file, check your data is suitable for analysis or not. Open your Excel file from your working directory folder. Yes, from desktop. Yes, data is good. Okay, you have three sheets. One sample t-test, independent t-test, and pair t-test. You can rename if you need it. Otherwise, you can use same name. Okay, now close this data. Your file name is radiation. No, please, you need to edit your file name because it is too much lengthy. So if file name is lengthy, maybe a chance spelling mistake or other issues. So rename and just give t-test. Rename your data. Here is data. Radiation t-test. Right click, rename. Just give t underscore test. T underscore, not dash. Now please all participant import your file into Jupyter page. Import Panda as PD. Yes, click on always select and then select. Okay. Now PD dot read underscore Excel. Give your file name. After sorry dot also add extension T and please first check your file name from Home tab. Click on Home tab. Your file name is T underscore test. Not from here. Click on Home tab. Please click on Home tab on your browser. Home tab, please click on Home tab. Are you hearing me? You have two tabs at your browser. One is Untitled, other is Home tab. Click on Home tab and check name of file from here. Where is no, it is not a file name. Scroll down and find T underscore test. Where is T underscore test? Check its name. Here is .xlsx. Please don't need to open here. Just find the correct name Correct name is t underscore test dot xlsx. So use this name. Please check again. You are typing wrong. T underscore test dot xlsx. I think you have forget how to import your data. You can check t-test dot xlsx. Also add dot after t-test. Yes. Now run this line. Why you are opening this file from here? It will not work from your home tab. Just run. No, it's working on your site. Okay. Now this Excel file have three sheets. Sheet 1 have one sample data, sheet 2 have two sample data, and sheet 3 have paired sample data. No, by default sheet number 1 will appear. So our side sheet number 1 is available. Now give name one sample. Give name one sample. Fahruddin, I think you forget many things. Please don't add one. Use only one. One underscore. There should no be space between two words. Yes. In Python, underscore means space. So if you want to add space, use underscore. Okay, now run this line. No, it's working. No, your file name is one underscore sample. So run one underscore sample for confirmation and run. Yes, you have done successfully. Now get its info. Here after one sample type dot info in above line. Don't need to type new word. Come to above script. Please come on above script. One sample dot info. Bracket open and close and run. Okay. Now combine both things. Combine both things. Paste here. Now this data is for one sample t-test. So you only have one group. You need to compare it with average value. So please first check your average value from your data. Scroll up the script. Please scroll up more. Please scroll up more. Okay. More come to your okay. No, please scroll down slowly. No, scroll up more. More. Come on table, sample data table. Yes, for one sample data. Yes, stop here on one sample data table. Scroll up, please scroll up more. Stop here. Here you can check one sample t-test. Check whether the average radiation dose exceed to regulatory limit. So here is the average limit. You need to compare this data with average limit 1 ms per year, SV per year. So copy this example or sample data, sorry, average value. Please copy this average value. Okay. Now write a message to ChatGPT. I want to perform. Please try to write at top, not at end. I want to perform one sample. I want to perform and visualize. Sorry, I want to perform and visualize one sample t-test. Average value is after full stop. Average value is, paste your average value here. You already have copied. Please paste your average value. No. Uh, Average value is after is, please paste. Please paste, you already have copied. Okay, you can type. Okay, after dot, after years add dot. Okay, now send this message to chat, sorry, in Python. Uh, in Python, and then add full stop. After Python, add full stop. Okay, now send this message to ChatGPT. Okay, and now come to first step, first option. Please scroll down, slowly read each and everything. Come to first step. First, you need to read paragraph above each, above on each script. Scroll up more, please. Yes. Great, you already have clean data frame. Let's perform one sample t-test and visualize it properly in Python. So here is the perform step number one, perform one sample t-test. Copy this result. Sorry, copy this script. Open Jupyter page. Paste here and run. So here is the results of t-test. P-value and other things are given. It's showing us a result are 0.05, which are, I think, not significant. Now again come to ChatGPT. Use second method. Visualize histogram plus mean line plus reference line. Copy your script. Paste here and run. Now check its output. One sample t-test, reference line and sample line is also given. Okay, now come to next method. Come to third step, optional box plot. Okay, good. Now, next step is we want to perform two sample t-test. We already have this data. So for two sample t-test, first we need to import our data set. So come to Jupyter page. Please open Jupyter page. First import second sheet. Uh, Previously we have imported our first sheet which have one sample data set. Now we want to perform two sample, we need second sheet. Now for second sheet, you need to write again new script pd.read underscore Excel. Bracket open your file name t underscore test dot xlsx. Also add inverted comma around file name. So this script is for one sample t-test. If you want to import second sheet, you also need to write more. Add comma within bracket and type sheet underscore name. Sheet underscore name 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 sheet name equal. Okay. Now give your sheet name. You can check sheet name from your uh, desktop. Independent underscore t-test. You can copy from here. Copy the sheet name. Right click on independent t-test. First click on edit, enable editing. Please first click on enable editing. Okay, now right click on independent t-test and click on rename. No, select and copy. Select and copy this name. Right click or Control C for copy. Please copy and cancel your call. Right click and copy, or you can press Ctrl C for copy. Select and press Ctrl C and open Jupyter page. Okay. After equal, paste your file name also within inverted comma. Okay, now run this line. So in this way, you can import any sheet in Jupyter page. Now you can check second sheet is available now. Okay, now give name to the script. You can give any name, independent t-test, second to sample t-test, anyone which is suitable or easy for you. To sample, you can give to sample, not second. To underscore sample. Equal. Please show me your script. Your script is not working. Scroll up. You have not run script. It please scroll up. Come to previous script. Show me your previous script. Run this line first. You have not run. Yes, after running, your data will disappear. Okay, now type to underscore sample dot info, bracket open and close. Okay, now copy and combine both things. Okay, now write a message. I want to perform and visualize to sample t-test in Python. And send this message to ChatGPT. Okay, also run next code. You can also write a message to ChatGPT. I need all code in single script. So please write a message to ChatGPT so that it will give you all code in single script. I need all code in single script. Not here in new message. Please in new message. Write in new message. I need all code in single script. Okay, send this message. Okay, now copy full code after completion and run in Jupyter page. Okay. Also share these results within group. And no, next step, you need to perform paired sample t-test. So it is your task, perform uh, paired sample t-test on your site. So please all participants perform one sample, two sample and paired sample t-test. So no, in our today class, we have done work on how we can perform work on different type of t-test. Our next task will be ANOVA. So please, all participants must do practice on t-test. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.